If you want to smell good as a man or teenager all day while you're playing games, while you're working out, while you're at work, while you're doing whatever, this video right here is for you. It's nice, simple, easy. Should take no more than 30 minutes. So let's get into it. What's good, y'all? My name is JaVale, for those of y'all who don't know, and for those who do know me, welcome back. It's no ego stuff, but I can confidently say now that wherever I go, I'm going to be one of the best smelling people. And I just think Chloe, Yasmin, and Mama T are still walking around. But I got a couple of products here with me today too, and I will be showing you exactly what I do with them and how I go about my routine to smell good all freaking day. Let's get into it. So first things first, which is honestly extremely crucial step that a lot of people do but don't realize it smells really good, is just washing your clothes. Okay, you make sure you wash your clothes, because if you just put on clean clothes, you'll already have that smell of, nice fresh linen, whatever you use to wash your clothes with. So that's already one layer of smell goodness that you have on you. So just make sure that you stay up on washing your clothes, because it's nice to have clean clothes just sitting around that you can just throw on too. Even if you don't have time to spray on something, you have the nice clean laundry smell that a lot of people actually do like. So for the second thing, but really the first thing, is just to hop in the shower. Now hold on. Okay, I get it. You might be thinking, oh, you just said hop in the shower? Everybody knows how to shower. I thought I knew how to shower by washing my body before, but now I know how to shower. Whenever I do shower, I tend to lean more towards the Dove products, and really what keeps me feeling good, nice soft skin, everything, is this Dove Sensitive Skin Hypoallergenic. Why did I just stop right there? This nourishing body wash by Dove. It is absolutely amazing. It's nice and cheap. I've been stuck on this and then the cucumber and green tea Dove. Oh my freaking goodness. First of all, if you have the cucumber and green tea Dove and you're not using it, you need to use it. So now that we're in the shower and we have our body wash picked out, I do love to use these exfoliating rags that have a nice soft spot on the back, because you don't want to exfoliate your entire body with the exfoliation part. You want to use the soft ones for the spots that really need it the most, like your intimate areas. This stuff got moved all the way up to my mouth. Back up. But you do want to get a nice good amount of the body wash on your rag on the exfoliant part and proceed to wash yourself up. You scrub your body, not too hard, because trust me, you do not want to be feeling raw. There are spots on your body that just do not need it, like your intimate areas. Please do not use an exfoliating rag on your downstairs area. Flip it around and use this side. I would suggest getting one of these. You want to save your downstairs area and your behind for last, because you don't want to wash your whole body, wash your downstairs area, and then rinse it all off and just have it all just drip down you. That's not what you want. So scrub really nice and good until you feel like it's good enough. Then you flip this around and then use this part right here for your downstairs area. And for my downstairs area, I like to use this Dove bar soap instead of the body wash, just because the smell kind of sticks to you, and it's just so much easier to just get in there and do what you got to do. And then if you really want the smells to stick to you from your body wash and the bar soap, you can wash yourself a second time. But typically I don't really feel like that's necessary for a man, and if you scrub yourself good enough the first time, you should be good from there. Now also, I want to say, whenever you're going for your downstairs area and cleaning that up and everything, getting that smelling good, don't let that pride get to you, and you need to wash your butt. You can use a different rag, do whatever you got to do. You can get some soap in your hands, you can rub up and down in there. You don't got to get all up in your stuff and make yourself feel weird. But man, it's a part of your body, and you need to clean your butt, because let me tell you, if you have a bad smelling behind, people can smell that. Now that washing your body is out the way, you can go ahead and hop out of the shower. Now, real quick, before you go ahead and grab your towel, I need you to pick up a nice paper towel, and we're going to use that to dab up our downstairs area and then air dry it. Just move your hands back and forth and air dry it after you dabbed it. You don't want to use your towel that you're drying your body off with to dry your downstairs area, because that'll just bring out everything that was on your body and put it down there. And it'll also help the overtime odor, because if you bring nastiness from your body to your downstairs, over time, very quickly, the odor will start to build up in the bacteria. And then you can go ahead and do the same for your behind. Now go ahead and grab that towel of yours and get to drying your body. dry all over until you're nice and dry. After you're done pat drying your downstairs area and your behind, you have got to get hip to this intimate oil blend. Premium essential oils with organic ingredients. Now this is typically made for women, but I'm telling you right now, it works absolutely amazing for us men. It'll keep yourself moisturized down there. It'll keep you smelling good, and it is healthy for you down there. It's literally something that you should be using as well. It'll help against odor. It helps dryness, itchiness. There's a lot of benefits for us men to be using this product right here as well, made for women. With this, it's super simple. All you have to do after you're done drying, you spray a good about 5 times, 5-6 times in your hand, rub it around, and then you're just gonna apply it downstairs. Get some a little bit above your bladder area. If there's dryness, you can put it a little higher as well, and then you're just gonna wanna spread it all around your intimate area. And after you're done with that, then you move to behind, and then you get some back there as well. After finding out about this, this is now my go-to moisturizer for my downstairs area. Also, whenever you use lotion, don't lotion up your downstairs area. Use this. Now you reach for your choice of lotion to moisturize that body up. My pick, this Olay Firming and Hydrating Body Lotion. This smells absolutely amazing, and it really does hydrate your skin. It feels great. It spreads very good, and I don't have anything bad to say about this lotion. It's absolutely amazing, and it's cheap as well. The price is up on the screen. And for my deodorant of choice, no matter how clean you feel, you should put on deodorant. You never know when you'll get a heat spell and then your armpits will start sweating, or if you're, like I said earlier, if you're working, if you play sports, if you're working out, any of that, you need to be always using deodorant. I got this Degree Advanced 72-hour Cool Rush. Oh my gosh, this literally dang near does actually last 72 hours. It smells amazing. Obviously, you know, the application is super easy. Just rub it up and down about like 5 times on each underarm, and then you're set right there. If you start sweating, you're gonna smell like Cool Rush. And for my people that struggle a little bit, I guess, with softer hair and smells come pretty quickly, this Way to Grow leave-in conditioner smells amazing. And it detangles, strengthens, and reduces breakage as well. This is super simple. You spray it in your hair in one area, rub it around, get it all in there, spray another area, rub it around, and you just continue to do that all around your hair until you've gotten every last part. We coming up to the end of this easy freaking routine, and then I usually do it in the shower just because foot odor can become really strong, and if you tend to get sweaty feet, that bacteria is just building up and building up. You need to invest in one of these foot scrubbers right here. And then I tend to use this body polish that, first of all, smells amazing, and second off, it makes my freaking toes so soft and they smell good. I clean my feet with this thoroughly. I scrub all on my toes, and then I scrub my feet, and I rinse it off with lukewarm water, and I just kind of rub it in. If you struggle with smelly feet or your feet get sweaty very fast, this kind of acts as a concealer, and it just smells amazing, and your feet will be soft. The more you clean your feet, the less bacteria has a chance to activate and continue to grow, which, if you didn't know, the bacteria growing is the main cause for bad odor. Now, colognes. Boy, I love this Jimmy Choo right here. My fiance loves it. I've gotten compliments on it whenever I've gone out. If you have not tried this, you need to go to an Ulta, wherever, and you need to try this out. Go on one of them testing strips, and you need to smell this for yourself, because this, oh my gosh. And you can also get this 3.3 fluid ounce on Fragrance Net, or you can go into Ulta and spend like $20 extra. So I think y'all should go and copy. That is about $40 on Fragrance Net, but I also do love this Powdery Coconut by Dossier. This smells amazing as well, and it has top notes of cardamom, pistachio, and bergamot. This is all around very nice smelling, and it does last. If you throw these on, you will get a compliment. And then this is $40 as well, and you can get this on the Dossier website. But like I said, my go-to would definitely be this Jimmy Choo. My fiance absolutely loves it. And once you're done applying your cologne of choice, you can either use colognes, which will last longer and they'll smell better, or you can use a body spray if you'd rather be more frugal with it. After you've done all that, you are literally ready to head out the door. It should take you no more than 30 minutes max, and you will smell absolutely amazing. The smell of your laundry, your body smell, the cologne, the lotion, your feet don't stink, your booty smell good. So with this simple routine, you're hitting every single point on your body that could possibly have an odor. So just do this routine before you go play a sport, okay? Before you go out and work, okay? Before you go work out. You'll smell good during it, and you'll also smell good after it. You know, whenever you're all sweaty and nasty and stuff, you might be like, yeah man, sorry I stink. You won't have to say it. You're gonna still smell good, even sweaty. But that's the end of this routine for men and teenagers. I would definitely recommend teens to use this as well, because you know you're in the phase where your smells are really starting to be strong. And you know, I'm just trying to help you out because I was there. But thank all y'all for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. I'm trying to build my collection up, and I might have to take y'all, you know, shopping with me so y'all can see what's good or not for a man. Jesus is king, and thank you. Stay smelling good.